Good morning, everyone. This is my vlog. Like and share and subscribe. Going home, everyone. Good morning, everyone. 9:45. Pauwi na. Malapit nang bumaba sa 52, everyone. Uwian tayo na, everyone. Dami ano. Uwian tayo na, everyone. Time check, 10:34. Bale, umuwi lang ako, nihatid ko lang yung aking mga gamit. Tapos, sarap ng ano dito sa labas ng pakiramdam, hangin ba, feeling. Yan. Tinanong ko kay nanay kung anong gustong kainin. Yan. Nag-rice lang yata sila. Tapos ako, mag-rice lang. Mag-rice sila. Tapos may ulam dito. So, ako, I'm planning. Gusto ko mag-KFC. Ano ba, yung binibili namin ng anak ko. Mega box ba yun? Basta, na-miss ko si KFC ngayon. So, masarap pag bumili ng gantong oras. Mainit pa kakainin mo. So, ayun. And then, yan yung parang overload price din, pero 3 kinds of pieces of chicken. Tapos meron siyang gravy. Di ba? Yun ang aking lunch for today. Kasi yun lang, that's it. Although hindi ako nag-dinner kagabi kasi spaghetti yung dinner nila. Pasta. Parang gusto kong magluto ng pasta, pero bukas na lang. Pasta may. So, ayun lang, everyone. See you later. At punta tayo ng KFC house. Yan, buti naman uminit. Message sila. So, order to. Going home, everyone. Naka-order na ako, take out for KFC. And then, kasi ang init, super. Nagdaan na rin ako sa Iceland for my fruits. Another, what do you call that? Bread. Kasi, baka magmerienda sila na mamaya ng kuya. Merong isa na, dalawang loaves na lang yung tinapay ko doon. So, meron naman silang palaman doon na peanut butter. So, bukas na lang ako dadaan para bumili na Lady's Choice, everyone. Finger licking good, everyone. love this. Wow. The fillet and the yummy. Kain tayo, everyone. 15:21, everyone. Time check. 15:21. Uy, ang ganda ng mulak-ulak ko dun. Oh, diba? Sa kapitbahay yan. Ang ganda ng kanyang mga halaman dito. Mga bulaklak niya. Mga halaman niya ay namumulak-ulak. Diba? Mainit ngayon, super as in. Kaya naisipan kong dalhin ang aking neck on. So, ayan. Maginhawa ngayon. Maginhawa. Diba? So, pasok ulit tayo, everyone. Sa aking hanap buhay. Ating hanap buhay. Nagsisiring pa ako paglakad. Kasi naantok pa ako. Grabe, dito. I'm here in Williston. Let's start our journey here. Thank you for priority. All.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Oh,
This
thank you,
is
Lord.
Finchley Road. This is Metropolitan.
Final journey, everyone. We ay after 5 minutes. Let's wait out. Let's go to white out. And then after 5 minutes, boom. And then after 4 hours, we'll be on time again. And then routine. Friday, what's Monday routine for today is nearly done. So that's life in UK, everyone. It's 16:03. Early. Still early, everyone. Sayang. Top up tayo para makalabas tayo. Para legal, hindi illegal. And that's it at the moment. Everyone. See you when I see you. The boarding house still closed. Let's go to the main door. The main door is here. Old dress, the Alvig and All Hollow station. Time check, everyone. 8:23. Yeah, 8:23 na, everyone. Madilim ang langit. Pag alis namin sa Aldgate, paglabas sa work, is raining outside. A big rain. Yeah. So, that's it at the moment. Good night, everyone. Good night na, pero maliwanag pa rin. So, see you later, everyone. Lemon green. Saan tayo, Lord? Mamaya.